Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Libra, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. All right, Libra, let's see what wants to show up for you today, and also a warm welcome back to all my subscribers. Thank you for being here once again, and if you're new here, we welcome you as well, Libra. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh wow. Okay. The Lovers, bottom of my deck. There was a choice to be made here, Libra. So much love, an equal partnership, a chance for a brand new beginning. But then what happened? Why is somebody stalking instead of expressing all this, wanting equal give and take, wanting a brand new beginning, wanting to work on this connection, has a big cup of love to offer, but look at this. Reflecting, thinking, hiding away, not communicating, not wanting this connection to end either. What is this? Libra, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify these cards, okay? So Libra and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Libra and their person. Libra and their person spirit. Thank you. Let's take a few from here. Libra and their person spirit. And Libra, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And a couple more from here and we start our reading. Alright, good to go, Libra. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, we're getting older and wasting precious time playing these dumbass runner-chaser games. Let's just level the F up already. Are we doing this or what? That's what I'm feeling. There's so much of potential for a beautiful brand new beginning and equal give and take, but there is... Okay. It pisses me off as to how your karmic has photos of you all over social media, trying to make out that you guys are happy. You and I both know this is complete bullshit. I can't bear the thought of you being with someone else. I get so jealous. I just want you to be mine. I wish we could just be direct and transparent with each other. That's what I was feeling when seeing these cards. Why can't you guys just talk? One person is just watching from behind the scenes and not talking. I know that I need to make amends for my mistakes. I'm contemplating how to do that because I want to show you how much you mean to me. So, well, they are in contemplation mode. So, Libra, this could be you doing this or could be your cross-watcher. I always thought we would get married. It absolutely breaks my heart that you're with them. I really need your warmth and affection. I've never felt such an intense connection. If only you knew what I've been through to be at your side. Do you really know the sacrifices I have made? It hurts like hell when you push me away when all I do is fight for you and for our love. I don't like to admit it, but I could really use your help right now. I'm struggling to do everything alone. It's the little things you do that make you so special. All right, Libra, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always, Libra. Let's see what my angels have for you first. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Oops. Too many. Blessing, guidance, stress management. Stress management, Libra. This keeps coming up for your reading somehow. Instead of, if there is so much love and somebody is trying to hide it, I think you guys should be direct and honest with each other. Do something to release this stress which is building up more and more. The more somebody is talking, I think the more they're going into stress. Maybe even feeling unwell with the amount of tension and stress. No communication. Alright, so let's start your reading. Spirit, what's the Six of Pentacles, Spirit? And the and the Fool card? Six of Pentacles. Somebody pushed away that person. I think one person wanted an equal give and take, and that person just pushed them away. Yeah. They probably didn't want to go through something which they felt that whenever I go towards happiness, I always kind of feel regret. So I'm not going to get into a situation of a happily ever after because I don't believe in it. Even though there was a potential for a beautiful beginning, there was probably communication about it as well. And maybe some things were revealed or some things were said which were not very nice. Maybe one person said, I don't want to get into a connection because connections always don't work for me, or they, I've been there, done that, and I don't believe in it. The Fool. There was such a big chance of this being a brand new journey. Or somebody still wants it. One more. Yes, somebody was very, very clear that, hey, listen, we need to start a brand new journey. We can have a resurrection of this connection. We can do everything right. And this was a very clearly maybe said or indicated or something like that by this Queen of Swords, who was looking for a committed partnership, committed relationship. But the other person, they probably created some drama or a fight, or some harsh words were spoken here, and maybe they just turned their back on this connection, even though there was potential. Eight of Pentacles, Spirit. Eight of Pentacles. Now they're feeling the pain of it. My God. Now somebody is feeling the pain of it. Now they're feeling, oh my God, I ended it. This beautiful offer was being given, and it was actually offered to me on a silver platter, and I refused it. I killed it. Now I'm feeling left out in the cold. I want to get out of this place now. I'm ready to work on it. I'm ready to put in the work. I'm ready to put in as much work as required to make this work again, because now I think somebody's figured out that I do have a lot of love for the person who I've pushed away. Ace of Cups. Yes, they're no longer confused now. I mean, if they had options earlier, or they were confused, they know the cup that they want. They've chosen that cup, and it's overflowing with love. Now they want to end this fight or any conflict that's happened between the two of you, so you guys can, move to a happier, calmer place with each other. But then, what's this Page of Swords, Spirit, doing here? Page of Swords. Okay, so they're trying to be a little bit of a trickster. Okay, they are not being able. Maybe they were trying to manifest that. Or they're scared. Maybe they've been dropped. I don't know. So they're secretly trying to manifest, waiting, watching, stalking, doing everything possible, but doing it in the wrong way, where their manifestations are not coming true. Still, maybe openly on social media, they're trying to show themselves as, hey, I'm fine, having a time of my life, I'm still the player I was, maybe. And this is all illusions, right? Tricking their person. Back of their mind, I don't think this person is juggling. Why are they, who's juggling and why, Spirit? I mean, who's spying? somebody does have a lot of passion still, and they do want to heal this connection, but they're not sure. They feel they've been dropped. They feel they've been dropped now, and they probably have to face a lot of competition. Four of Swords, Spirit. Four of Swords. Yeah, they feel they're actually having a bit of bad luck. Could be ill health, could be feeling of depression. Nothing is really moving in their favor. So they've kind of lost hope. And especially now, since there's no communication, all they can do is dream of their future and the happily ever after. But they do also know that if they don't communicate, or if they do communicate, either way, oh my God, just give me a second. I'll just pause shut the phone off. Sorry. So as much as they're dreaming of this future or whatever, they're not communicating, and they feel either if I do communicate, I'll be rejected, or if I don't commit, I'll lose my person. They don't want to lose this. Death in reverse. They don't want to lose this. They want to return big time. They do want to return and have this conversation. They do want to return, have this communication. They don't want to let this go. But Judgment card is yet in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why is the Judgment card in reverse? Because they don't believe it. Yeah. The Heart of Hearts, they are scared. Just stuck this. This person is still sitting in their little bit of pride and ego. Very self-centered, I would say. Not happy that they're not getting a brand new beginning. In their mind, they feel their person has already dropped them, and that's like, it's already crashed and burnt. They feel their person is doing very well on their own. If I go back again, what if I'm not given a chance once again? So even though they don't want this to end, they're not doing anything about it even now, with the fear that they've lost their chance. Still sitting in a very feeling unloved, feeling unmotivated, only because they feel it's too late. And that's what the stress is all about. So why is the Lovers here, Spirit, as our overall energy? Lovers. Somebody needs to make a decision, but they feel after all the secrets that have come out in the open, they're very embarrassed and ashamed now to make a move. They don't know with what face to go back and even ask for a second chance. Feeling like my person will just laugh at me, or they're embarrassed to even. So things are still stagnant, I would feel. And Libra, if whoever's going through this is not a good place to be in. It actually does result in physical ailments as well, right? So either just talk it out. It's like I always say, if you want something, ask for it. If you get it, great. If you don't, at least you can move on and not think about it anymore, right? So that's all I have for you, Libra. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.